Hi, you guys. Today we're going to be talking about detox teas. You guys voted, so the first thing we'll talk about is Arbonne's Detox Tea, and next week we'll talk about energy drinks. All right. So the herbal tea is by far my favorite product on Arbonne's line. It has 9 botanical ingredients that help support your liver and your kidney. So your liver and your kidney are natural detoxifiers in your body, but years and years of building up toxins inside of your body, sometimes these organs aren't functioning properly anymore. So the purpose of the tea is to promote a better and more efficient function of these organs. All right, so I'm gonna go down the list of the 9 ingredients it has. The first ingredient it has is milk thistle. Okay, I might be reading off my sheet a little bit, so forgive me, but I'm also gonna post this for you guys to read for yourself. So the first ingredient is milk thistle, and it's a powerful detoxifier. Some research has claimed that it helps protect against cancer and diabetes and gallstones, but it's also shown to lower cholesterol. All right. The second ingredient is peppermint, which is good for like respiratory health, but it also helps ease your intestines for proper and natural flow, and sometimes people use it to relieve gas. The third ingredient is dandelion. Now this has 10% of your daily value of calcium. So remember, we're cutting out dairy from your diet, but just because we're cutting out dairy doesn't mean that you're going to be low on your calcium. All right. So the dandelion has 10% of your daily value of calcium, which is good for bone health, but it's also high in vitamin K, which helps cleanse your liver. It contains antioxidants that fights against diabetes, skin infections, and is really rich in fiber. The fourth one is sweet fennel, and that's also high in calcium, which helps support your bone health, bone strength, and skin health, but it also lowers your cholesterol. So the first 4 ingredients that I named helps lower your cholesterol, helps with bone health, helps with skin health, and helps fight against diabetes. The sweet fennel also aids in digestion, and some research has showed it also decreases your risk for heart disease. So sweet fennel. All right. Number 5, the 5th ingredient is elder. And this is commonly used for like cold medicine, for the flus or sinus infections, but it's also used for people with diabetes and constipation. It increases your urine production and sweat, so it's kind of similar to like a diuretic. The 6th ingredient is parsley, and this is a high source of antioxidants. It's a natural diuretic as well, so it controls your water retention, helps reduce that bloated feeling, and it fights against kidney stones, UTIs, and gallbladder problems. The 7th ingredient is walnuts. Now we all pretty much know the benefits of nuts, but walnuts specifically have shown to help with heart health because it is high in omega-3s, and it also helps boost your bone health and improve metabolism. It controls diabetes, so it controls your insulin levels, and it helps reduce your inflammation. And it also regulates sleep, helps you regulate your sleep. So the 8th ingredient is uversa, and this is commonly used as an astringent for UTIs, urinary tract health. It also has benefits and positive effects for people who are trying to lose weight. It helps reduce the bacteria in your urine and inflammation. So it helps pretty much support your kidneys and cleanse out your kidneys. And last but not least, the 9th ingredient is licorice. And this helps soothe your GI problems, usually caused by like food poisoning and stomach ulcers, but it also helps with heartburn. So if you guys are feeling some heartburn or anything, licorice would be your best bet. But it helps speed up the repair of your stomach lining and restores balance. So it has anti-inflammatory properties and boosts your immune system. Literally, you guys, those 9 ingredients are in this herbal tea. Most herbal detox teas are high in fiber and pretty similar to like a laxative. So it just makes you poop everything out. It's kind of just like a colon cleanser. But this is helping support your liver and your kidney. So it's helping you to naturally release those toxins. I hope this helped you guys. And if you have any questions, comment below or send me a message. All right. See y'all later.